When it comes to marketing your business, there is no better time to embrace video and stories than right now. So here are 3 simple ways to use video in the post-COVID world to get customers, make sales, and give customer service. Starting off simply, you could use your phone to make quick videos for social media, right? But keep the 3-part sales video formula in mind. You want to tell a little story, give a little data, and then give a call to action, right? Tell a little story giving an example, give some data or social proof to back it up, and then don't forget this part. Give a CTA, a call to action. Tell them what to do. So here's how to use video to get customers. Easy, prove the benefits, right? Tell me what I'm getting. Show me examples. Use video to tell me about the stuff that I'm getting. Show the results, right? Tell me about the good changes I'll experience in my life because I buy your thing. Show off your customers, right? We believe real people way more than we believe some fancy, expensive ad. Now here's 3 ways to use video to make sales. First of all, record your best salesperson on the best day giving their best pitch ever and make that available 24/7 on your website, 24/7 online. Now, if someone's seeking information at 10 o'clock at night, give it to them right then and there because by 10 o'clock the next day, they may well have found someone else. Also, use video to follow up, right? From a personalized thank you to a video-based email campaign to nurture prospects, this is the way to connect. And here's how to use video to give customer service. Answer questions before they become problems. Solve problems before they become a hassle. What if you created a series of how-to videos showing people the best way to implement what they purchased? What if you created a series of videos that allowed you to be the expert, right? Give tips on and around your topic. Right? People watch videos to learn stuff, so teach them some stuff about your industry, about your product solution, even about yourself. And answer those frequently asked questions, right? Anticipating what your customers might want to know and making a resource of that information available to them online 24/7 on demand further establishes you as the go-to expert. And everybody loves doing business with the expert. So there you go. 3 types of story-based marketing videos that you can embrace to stay connected to your customers, reach out for new prospects, and grow your business even in the post-COVID world. If you'd like a little more, grab my new book, Video Story Selling, the how-to guide for small business video marketing. It's available on Amazon right now. You can get the Kindle version for just $3. Or if you're ready for some hands-on help, video coaching, consulting, production assistance. That's what we're all about. Get a hold of me through my email, mike@socialjumpstart.com. Either way, your life will be better if you just make a little video, tell a little story, give a little data, and tell them what to do next. I'm Mike Walpert from Social Jumpstart, and we will see you next time in the world of video story selling.